to hard reset your Tecno Spark 8C, the first thing to do is to power off the device. As you can see, the device is switched off already. The first thing to do is to press and hold your volume up key and your power key together for a few seconds. When it shows the Tecno logo, release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key. With the no command, how to exit it is to press the power key and tap the volume up key for a few seconds. As you can see, the no command has exited, all thanks to volume up key and power button. Use your volume down key to select to wipe data. When you get here, use your power key to navigate to factory data reset